Rachel, you're the most unique, special, and amazing person I've ever met. You're my other half that I didn't know existed before I met you. You make me a better, stronger, and happier man every day that we're together. I vow to always love and support you, listen to your needs and concerns, and help you through the good times as well as the bad ones, in any way that I can. My life had an emptiness before we met that you fill and make me feel whole and complete. I want to grow our lives together and become an incredible family that will continue to get better as time goes on. I know we'll have countless amazing experiences together, and the best times of our lives are yet to come. I want to grow old with you, or stay young forever if that ever becomes an option. You're the only person for me. I love you with all of my heart.
Houston, you came into my life at a point where I knew love existed, but I had yet to believe it ever would for me. You changed my entire world for the better, and I'm so thankful you finally made it all the way here to this dream come true. I vow to be your number one supporter, your best friend and wife, to be faithful and loyal to your family and your home, now and for all time.
Kahai na Hawaii, lo kahia kulike, olu olu kamanao, ha ako kulana, aho nuya lana kila. The leis represent love, and that's why you are here today, because you love each other. So when you give the lei to the one you love, you think about all the love in your heart. You place the lei around each other's neck, and you'll give each other a kiss on the cheek. Place your forehead and your nose to each other, close your eyes, and take in each other's breath. Do you, Houston, take Rachel to be your best friend and partner in life's journey?
I do.
Do you promise to treat her with kindness, compassion, and respect?
I do.
Do you promise to fill your home and life in peace and harmony?
I do.
Do you promise above all else to love her with all your heart?
I do.
With words spoken and all those unspoken, do you wish to take her as your wife?
I do.
Now you, Rachel? Do you, Rachel, take Houston to be your best friend and partner in life's journey?
I do.
Do you promise to treat him with kindness, compassion, and respect?
I do.
Do you promise to fill your home with peace and harmony?
I do.
Do you promise above all else to love him with all your heart?
I do.
With words spoken and all those unspoken, do you wish to take him as your husband?
I do.
With this ring,
with this ring,
I thee wed.
I be wed.
You may place the ring on her finger. And with this ring,
And with this ring,
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
And with the authority vested in me by the state of Hawaii, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now seal your union in marriage with a kiss. These are the hands of your best friend, strong and full of love. These are the hands that will passionately cherish you through the years and with the slightest touch will comfort you like no other. These are the hands that will give you both strength when you need it and will support you to pursue your dreams. It will take faith to go forward together without knowing exactly what the future may bring. And it will take commitment to hold true to the journey you both have pledged today.